Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a pre-loved item that I bought from Mercari, and it is an SLG. So they wrapped it pretty nicely in this tissue paper, and then ta-da! It is a Louis Vuitton, and I'm super happy that it came with a dust bag because this is actually an older item. It's from I think 2008, so I guess that's vintage. It's 10 years old, but for an item that's 10 years old, it is in really good condition. So let me just show you the front and the back. So this is what they call the Ludlow wallet, and it has been discontinued, which I don't know why, because it's super cute. I think probably the newer small wallets right now, like the Emily or the Victorine, has taken over this one. So this is pretty much just a card wallet. So there's, when you open the wallet, it has 1, 2, 3 slots. So you put cards here, 1, 2, and right here is 3. And then there is no place to put, as you can see here, there's no place to put notes or bills, but you know, you can always tuck it into one of these slots. Like you can tuck it into this slot, fold it, tuck it into this slot. And then the other side has a coin purse area. You can actually put bills in here too. Here's the interior. So for a 10-year-old wallet, it's in like pristine condition. I mean, the hardware still looks pretty good. The hardware still is gold, or brass I should say, and very few scratches. And the wallet itself is very compact, which is great. I love that it's compact, and I can put in like an evening bag or in a pochette, you know, in a mini bag, which is great. It's very thin, probably like, you know, half an inch or something like that. So I love it. I'm super happy with this purchase. I got this for $155, I think. I have to double check the pricing, but it was less than $200, which is a good deal for an LV SLG. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like videos like this, follow me on my channel on the button down below. On the button down below, look at the button. Click on that button to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Thanks again.